welcome to this video series in which I'm going to be teaching you how to create your own graphic designs for free, whether it's an e-cover, infographic, banner ad, a social media cover, a business card, whatever you need. You could create almost anything with Canva.com. So just go to Canva.com and you could get a free membership on there. They also have paid membership, but what I've been using for the past few years is the free version, and I've been able to create beautiful designs the past few years just with their free membership option. So the great thing is you no longer have to pay for expensive graphic designers or for expensive graphic design software. In the following videos, I'm going to show you the types of designs that you can create with Canva, how to create them, and you could also watch over my shoulder as I create an e-cover and an infographic using Canva. And after watching these videos, you'll see why Canva is one of the best graphic design tools out there. So come join me and I'll see you in the next video.